Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I'll show you how to use your Samsung phone to your laptop PC. So first you need a laptop Windows 10 or PC Windows 10 and go to the corner this icon and go to the all settings and then go to the systems and go to down in the projecting this PC, and you can see here is always off, make this available everywhere, and down is first time only, and then go back, and now you go to your phone and smart view. In Samsung, smart view or screen mirroring is old model Samsung is screen mirroring, and new model Samsung phone is smart view. Open smart view and you can see the Golden Nanotech. The screen is connecting and make it okay here, allow in the computer, and now connecting. Wait, and you can see guys is working the camera. See, so now you want to play anything to your laptop, you can play. So you can see camera is working to your laptop. Everything you want you can use. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hey guys, see your phone working to your laptop. If you want to use YouTube or something, you can play everything. اليوم جايب لكم لعبة أكثر العرب مستمعين فيها، اللي يلعب هذه اللعبة هذه الحلقة الأخيرة المركز الأول حياخذ فيها 15 نقطة. Thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use your iPhone or Samsung Galaxy Android system phone to your PC or laptop. So you need to install Windows 10 to your laptop. First you go this icon and go to all settings and you go to the system and go to the projecting to this PC, and you can see here the first option always off, you have to make it available everywhere, and the down one is first time only, and then you need to download a players 5K players, name is 5K players. This is need for the iPhone or Samsung. You just go to your screen mirroring and you can see your username and press the username, your mobile will be work to your laptop. So now I have a iPhone and I'm going to connect to the laptop. First you have go to the screen mirroring and you can see here 5K players Golden Nanotech 1 and press this and you can see my phone is working to the laptop. So you can keep it this side of your laptop, or you can using your laptop also same time, and you can using also the mobile phone same time. If you want to play any video, anything, you can use everything your mobile phone to the laptop.